Hello everyone. So the question given is consider two plane convex lenses of a same radius of curvature and a refractive index n1 and n2 respectively. Now consider two cases. This is a plane convex lens. Case 1 is when n1 equals to n2 equals to n, then equivalent focal length of lens is f0. Case 2 is when n1 equals to n and n2 equals to n plus delta n, then equivalent focal length of lens is f is equals to f0 plus delta f0. Now the answer is 1 by f1 equals to n minus 1 into 1 by f, which implies 1 by f0 equals to 2 into n minus 1 upon r. Let this be equation number 1. And 1 by f2 equals to n plus delta n minus 1 bracket 1 by r minus 1 by infinity 1 upon f plus delta f naught equals to n minus 1 divided by r plus n plus delta n minus 1 into 1 by f, which is equals to 2n plus delta n minus 2 divided by r. Let this be equation 2. Therefore, when we solve this, we get f plus delta f naught upon f naught equals to 2n minus 1 upon r divided by 2n plus delta n minus 2 divided by r. 1 plus delta f naught equals to 2n minus 1 1 plus delta f naught by f naught equals to 2n minus 1 upon 2n plus delta n minus 2, which implies delta f naught equals to minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Therefore correct options are option A and option C.